I'm Liza Mayo with Alys Beach Properties. Today we're at 79 North Castle Harbour Drive, a home that truly represents the best of life at Alys Beach. Architect Gary Justiss delivered a Mykonos-inspired layout that has become one of the most desired floor plans in Alys Beach. Interiors by Bohlert Massey reach a high level of coastal sophistication found throughout the home. First floor living is showcased beautifully with the living, dining, kitchen, and primary bedroom all opening onto covered outdoor spaces and the expansive courtyard beyond. The courtyard includes an upgraded summer kitchen, private pool and hot tub, and a dedicated exterior stairway leading to the roof terrace. Upstairs, the home offers a secondary primary bedroom with its own den, plus 2 additional guest suites. The 2-car air-conditioned garage provides secure private parking, a rare convenience in Alys. Ideally located directly across from Zuma Wellness Center, you're also just steps away from Town Center and Kaliza Pool and Restaurant. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 79 North Castle Harbour Drive. If you would like to schedule a private showing or learn more, feel free to reach out to us directly.